waterfall of faces. Wow, look at this interesting sculpture. And welcome to Anyar Waterfall. Wow, look. 1, 2, 3, action! Wow. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm in a small village called, how do you pronounce it? Kemuh. Kemuh. I'm in the Gianyar Regency, and I'm about to take you and show you a waterfall called Anyar Waterfall.
Yeah.
So here's the waterfall name.
Anyar Waterfall.
And then here's the. And then we have to make a donation when we go down the waterfall, and then this is the owner here. Good morning, how are you, sir?
I'm good. So welcome to Anyar Waterfall. Okay, so good morning. So our new waterfall, our new destination, so we still have a donation system, so we don't have a ticket yet. So we are so happy when you can support us by donation, but you can going down first, and then you can put donation later on going back.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, so there's a brief explanation from the owner, so come with me, let's go and explore Anyar Waterfall.
Okay,
thank
enjoy
you.
Your time.
Thank you. So it's still only 8:30 a.m. in the morning. I'd like to get a nice early start when I'm visiting these waterfalls. However, this waterfall I have never actually personally visited myself. So we'll just continue a walk down and we'll go and experience this waterfall together. So let's continue on. Another waterfall, no signs, you just have to presume it's this way. Oh, it's quite a nice easy track this far.
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm good, thank you, how are you?
Good, excellent, nice, okay.
Thank you.
Welcome to our waterfall.
So I can hear the water now. So hopefully we're close. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, how beautiful is that? Hello. sculpture. Interesting monkey here. Waterfall of places. Just walk down here, guys, and then we'll show you the waterfall. Okay guys, I'm here now down at the bottom. Welcome to Anyar Waterfall. Wow, look at that. Ooh la la. Go and try and take a dip in the water and walk across. It does look quite strong, the river, however I'll just try and follow the route that the guys just showed me. Slowly. Just here. Okay guys, so the flow of water is strong. It's trying to push me. Okay. Wow guys. Actually a top version as well. We're just going to make our way up to the top now. There's another waterfall on top, so stay with me guys, we'll go and explore that section now. Look at this. We'll have to make our way across here to the other side. So that's quite an easy crossing, guys. Oh no, we have to go up here. Look at these. come down here. Wow. It's the shower, yeah? The guy tells me this is the shower. There's a big hole there. Wow! Good. Woo! Okay, so the guy's just getting ready to go. Tubing. Was that good?
Yeah, everything good.
Looks like fun, yeah.
Tomato sauce, yeah.
Thank you. So as you can see, guys, you can go tubing down river. The guy told me it's approximately 300 meters and the cost for that is 75,000 rupiah. Okay guys, I'll just give you my general thoughts on Anyar Waterfall. I do think they should change the name to the Monkey Waterfall because there's so many sculptures of the monkeys all around this waterfall. Absolutely fantastic experience here. Really love this place. As you saw from the top, it is actually donation. There's no actual price, it's donation, so you just make a donation on the way out. The staff, the guys down at the bottom, really friendly, really helpful, help you get across to the waterfall because the flow of the river is very strong. Really nice, friendly guys. You can also do the tubing here, so should you so wish to have a tubing experience floating down river for 300 meters, that's 75,000. I do think that price is a little bit overpriced and should come down a little bit with it only being 300 meters, but nonetheless that's optional, you don't have to take that. All in all, I think this is a really splendid waterfall. It's only located 2.5 kilometers approximately from the famous Tegenungan waterfall, which has the Oma club also on site, where you can have a nice, really luxurious lunch and overlook the waterfall. This is just approximately 2.5 kilometers from that waterfall. And I highly recommend that you should be coming to this waterfall and including it if you're going to Tegenungan. It's well worth the trip. Just come down the road and you've got a waterfall that you're literally going to have. You've seen I'm here all alone. You're going to have this place literally all to yourself because I think it's a relatively new waterfall. You're going to have a great experience, guys. I'm so happy and glad to share this place with you. Hope you get the opportunity to visit Anyar Waterfall, and I shall say bye for now.